Hello everyone, we are here at Victoria Harbor in Tsim Sha Tsui. You see, people are seated and waiting for the fireworks show. Today is October 1st, 2025. It's a national day here in Hong Kong, China. And since there's a lot of people queuing here, so we don't wait for the fireworks show, but we just walk around instead. So join us, guys, and let's take a walk here in Tsim Sha Tsui. See that beautiful building? Yeah. The Sheraton Hotel. It is very congested, so many people. Continue to walk with us, guys. So this video will be ASMR, so that you can just imagine that you are with us walking in this congested place, hearing people chattering, walking around, and all the noise around here. Enjoy, guys. Blessings to all of you.
Selfie stick.
Para meron na rin ako ano, makikita yung mga tao, mukha ng tao rin. At maganda rin yung mga building.
May baho nga mapakasong ka. May baho nga mamudong ka. May baho nga madutong ka.
Yung sa peninsula, daanan natin, hindi na tayo makabalik doon eh. Oo, hindi tayo makabalik sa peninsula. Ang peninsula. Oo.
Tara na. Ito, hatak mo. Ay, sama.
Building na lang niya ako.
他们也够呛，也看不着大打就跑了。
Mag-side view na ako. Close road. Ito yung mga building sa Tsim Sha Tsui. Tama ba yung view?
Ay, sarado man.
Be careful, no, be careful.
Oh, sarado man.
Oh, sarado na yung MTR station na. Yun na. So mamaya. Nasa road na kami naglalakad kasi sarado na. MTR is already closed. Eh kung nag-live ka sana.
Ha?
Sana nag-live ka.
Ay, balaan mo na.
Pahinga ka muna.
Na-stress nga ako. Ayoko na.
Yan na rin ang ano. Building na lang. Diba? Oh. Yung scenery.
Yan kaya sang dalan sang hukong.
Oo. Walang bus. Tao karon. Yan ang one way, no? Masakit na kami ng road. I-square. Saan tayo? Doon?
Doon na station, no? Yun ang station.
Sa tawid-tawid?
Oo, tawid.
Maganda sana ng greenery doon.
Wala naman, hindi sa lakyan.
Saka.
Ha?
Ang ganda naman doon.
Wala sa lakyan. Gani ang show, grabe ang tao. Ha?
Di rin naman tapos. Ay, masilaw. Thank you for walking with us, guys. So until here, we'll see you in my next video. So we're going to take the train back home. So this is a train station now. So God bless you, everyone.